Hey, what's good you guys? Vic Christoph here with PhoneArena, and today we have the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus up here for review, and we're testing the video camera and we're recording in 1080p, the maximum resolution at 30 frames per second. Follow me around to see how well this phone is able to stabilize video. So follow me right here. Okay, so the phone was handheld, so you can tell me how well it stabilizes the footage. And now let's slowly move it up and down to see how it adjusts to different light, the bright light up in the sky and the darker shadows beneath. Okay, the next thing I'll do is step out of the frame real quick and test the continuous autofocus feature. See if the phone is able to switch focus between my hand here and the background. Notice how quickly it's doing that. Okay, a couple more attempts. And it's back to me again, so let's try the zoom functionality. Digital zoom at 1080p video resolution all the way in, and then we zoom all the way out to test the zoom functionality on the Galaxy A6 Plus. And that's it guys, this wraps up our test of the video camera on the A6 Plus. Let us know if you like it in the comments right below. Thanks for watching.